Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make your Google Slides presentation private. Before we get into it, please take a moment to comment, like and subscribe to the channel. Like all Google documents, your Google Slides presentations are actually private by default, meaning nobody can view them unless you grant them access. However, if you have already shared the slideshow and want to restrict access, first open your presentation and click the Share button in the top right corner. Look at the General Access section at the bottom of the pop-up window. If the setting currently says anyone with the link, click the drop-down menu next to it and change it to Restricted. This ensures that only the specific people you invite can view the file. To revoke access from specific people, look for their names in the People with Access list. Click the drop-down menu next to their role and select Remove Access. Finally, if your presentation was published to the web, you need to unpublish it. Go to File, click Share, and select Publish to Web. Scroll down on that window and click Stop Publishing to remove it from the internet. That is all for this guide. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.